Hello guys, welcome back to another lecture in this course. So in this video, what I am going to demonstrate is sometimes you can see that we are having a folder here which is having a lot of files, and sometimes it is boring to share with someone an application which is containing a lot of files and folder. So with the PySide6 here or with the PyInstaller, it has the ability to create a what we call one file build. So this one file build, what it does, it is just a single executable file, not an executable file with a bunch of things. As we can see here, we are having a lot of things. So you just need a single executable file, and this executable file, it will contain all your code, all your libraries, everything in it. And this is much convenient way to share simple application. So since you don't need to put your installer in a folder with a bunch of things, so this will be much convenient if you're having one build file. So what we can do, let us go back to our code and see what we can type here. Let us open our Visual Studio Code. Okay, since we want to compile everything in one file. So since our compiler is PyInstaller, our compiler is PyInstaller. So let us say PyInstaller. What we need is one build, everything to be in one file. So let us type one file. Okay, then obviously the name of the application here .py, and press enter. So the packaging will start. As you can see here, all the packaging is going on. Okay then, so I think everything is done. So let us go back to our folder. Let us open our folder here. So let us open our distribute. As you can see here, so this is our previous folder that we were having, but now instead of sharing this folder, you are now only sharing this executable file to your friends. So that when you give your friends, you just right click, put it on your flash and give your friend. So if you are to open it, as you can see here, okay, so if you are opening it, we can see that it is opening with a console. So what we need is to remove the console of this one build file. Okay, we need to remove this console. So to remove this console, we have to go back to our code here and type no console. The same instruction, PyInstaller no console. Okay, then one file hello.py. Okay, then after doing so, we go here, we double click. Right, as you can see now, our application no longer having a console on the background. So you can easily share this program. You can do whatever you want. You can share it with your friends and family. So this is how we design a GUI application with the PySide, and this is how we deploy our application with PySide. So we are going to learn more about PySide as we proceed with this lecture. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.